Here's Hudson burping. Come on, buddy. You can do it.
He's saying, yes, I can.
But
yes,
are you going
yes.
to?
Probably not.
Come on. Whoa. Whoa.
Let me show you some Tai Chi moves. There
Oh,
we go.
good
Yeah, we got that on
job.
video. It was good.
Very good job.
Ready?
Now, eat some more. Yay, Hudson's eating. Mmm.
He's biting.
Are you eating it? Alright.
See if you can get the sound on.
I know.
That's not the sound I want to hear. Not the struggle sound.
His little arm. Doing a good job, buddy. Is that other hand like that too? Yep, there it is. It's classic eating stance. Okay, eat up, buddy. See you later.